Hello friends, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our channel Namma Aduge, which means food from our kitchen. Today I am sharing one of my favorite rice recipe, tomato rice. Tomato rice, also known as tomato bath, is a delicious South Indian rice recipe which is super quick to make. Make it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It fits it all. If you love the fusion of spicy and slightly tangy flavors, then this is the perfect dish to indulge in. Without any further ado, let's see what are the ingredients that we need. To prepare this tomato rice, we will need oil 2 teaspoon, ghee 2 teaspoon, mustard seeds half teaspoon, split black gram 1.5 teaspoon, split Bengal gram 2 teaspoon, dry red chilies 4 to 5, curry leaves few, ginger half inch. I have washed the ginger with water and grated it. Onion 1, which is in small size. I have chopped the onions. Tomatoes 4 to 5, which is medium in size. I have chopped the tomatoes finely here. Asafoetida or hing half teaspoon. Turmeric half teaspoon. Chili powder 3/4 teaspoon. Salt as per taste. Rice 2.5 glass. This is the measurement glass that I have used. So let's start preparing our tomato rice. First I'm going to take 2.5 glass of rice in a bowl and wash it with water. Now let's go ahead and turn on the gas and keep a pressure cooker. Once the cooker is heated, I am going to add oil and ghee. Once the oil and ghee are heated, I will go ahead and add mustard seeds, split black gram, split Bengal gram. Let's go ahead and fry this for a while. Now I'm going to add dry red chilies. Fry this as well. And now I'm adding curry leaves. Now mix this well and fry it. Now I have added grated ginger. Fry the ginger until the raw smell reduces. Now I'm adding chopped onions and fry it for a minute. Now let's go ahead and add the chopped tomatoes and cook it completely. As you see, the tomatoes are cooked well. I'm adding hing or asafoetida, turmeric and red chili powder. Now I'm going to mix this masala and fry it for a minute. After mixing the masala, I am adding 5 glasses of water as I've taken 2.5 glasses of rice. In addition, I'm adding extra half glass of water. Now I'm mixing it completely. Now I'm just waiting for the masala water to boil. Once the masala water is boiled, I'm adding rice which I have pre-washed. Now mix the rice completely and mix the masala well and ensure that there is no masala stuck in the cooker. Now let's go ahead and cover the lid of the cooker. I'm going to let it cook for around 3 to 4 whistles. After around 3 to 4 whistles, turn off the gas. Make sure that you check the toggle in order to ensure that there is no steam before opening the lid. Let's go ahead and mix the tomato rice before serving. If you would like to watch any of my previous videos, I would request you to click on the I button that is displayed on the top right corner or on the link that is available on the description box of this video. As you see, I have served the yummy, delicious and quick tomato rice for you all. Make sure that you comment down below in the comment section if you try this recipe. Our yummy, delicious and quick tomato rice is ready. It tastes so good with pickle, chutney and yogurt. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Aduge and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and see you all soon.